Hi everyone. So in this video, I'm going to give you a tip how to get less flats, how to get a better performance, and how to get your road bike tires to last a lot longer. So this morning over here, I went for a ride, and the bike felt fairly sluggish. So if I show you over here, you see, I can squeeze my tires with my thumb. So when I check with the pressure gauge, I'm at about 80 psi, and in order to get this tire to perform perfectly, this is the number that you're gonna get this. Okay, so look over here, look at what I have there, 120. You don't have to go to 120, but if you go to 105 or 110, what's gonna happen? Your tire is gonna give you a lot better performance. That's tip number one. Tip number two, a lot more, you're not gonna get that cracks. Like I'm gonna show you here. I have a few cracks on certain parts, see, like there, mini cracks over here. So this one is newer, and I've been keeping up with the PSI. So again, tires are gonna last you longer, less flats, and you're gonna have a better performance. So all these three tips, as long as you rack up that pressure closer to 120 psi, so that can be 105, 110. That's pretty enough to get that to get the most out of your tire. Hopefully you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.